Hi, I'm Sarah Smith. I'm a horticulturist here at Rogers Gardens, and I want to talk to you all about Italian anemones. These are different than the regular anemones you're used to seeing, and what makes these so special is the stems are very, very long, they're really nice and thick, and they make for perfect cut flowers. So you might be familiar a little bit with anemones. Typically you grow them from a bulb. Technically it's a chrome, so it looks a little bit different. It's actually kind of the ugliest thing you've ever seen, but they make such beautiful flowers. And when you plant that in the ground, eventually emerges this nice, beautiful anemones. Those are your traditional kind though. These are the Italian anemones. So it's a little bit different. You can still grow them from a chrome, but usually this variety is only available as starts like this. And they're actually growing it from seed, which is kind of mind-blowing that you can do it both ways, but it is possible. It's a little harder to start it from seed at home. It takes a really long time, so we just let the professionals do that. But you can come in and buy them grown like this, and they're an easy plant. They hardly need any fertilizing. Just a nice, good balanced fertilizer is totally fine, but they don't need a ton. They do need a good amount of sun, so you want to plant them in an area that's at least getting 6 hours of sunlight. That will make for a nice, fuller, bushier plant, and you'll get a lot more flowers. So really, that's what you're growing them for, so you want to make sure you're putting them in the right location. They just need regular water, but they're great in the ground, they're great in containers, they're kind of a fuss-free plant. My only big suggestion for you is keep those flowers cut, and because it's really good for cut flowers, you can be really spoiled and go out there and cut them all the time, bring them in the house, and the more you cut them, the more flowers you're going to get, which is the whole point of the plant, right? So they're really an easy fuss-free plant, and they're special from the traditional ones that we're so used to here in the gardens. And this has become an incredibly popular flower to use in floral arranging because they come in a really nice variety of colors. And the really interesting thing is that the inside has a black center, so that actually makes for a really great contrast. They're very long lasting in a vase, and that long stem makes it really easy to style in a cut arrangement. So to get these before they sell out, you need to make sure you come in before spring. That's when we start carrying them here. And this is something that goes very quickly because of the popularity of them. Again, I'm Sarah Smith, a horticulturist here at Rogers Gardens. Make sure you come in and get these before you can't get them any longer. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And make sure you sign up for our YouTube channel. There's lots of great information, tons of how-to videos. If you have a garden question, I guarantee we have a video there for it. And to find out about all the fun events that we have here at Rogers, you can go to our website and sign up for the newsletter. You'll know about all the sales, all the events, all the new things that come into the store, so that way you don't miss it and come in too late. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Sarah Smith here at Rogers Gardens. Bye.